AOPS Volume 1, The Basics, number 13. Given formula n is equal to 8 times 10 to the 8th power times x to the negative third over 2 power gives the number of individuals whose income exceeds x dollars. What is the smallest income for the richest 800 people? When reading word problems, it is very important to understand the details for which you need to utilize and the details for which you need to forget, because not all details are meant to guide you. Some details, such as this one, have details which are meant to confuse you, such as the richest 800. We don't care whether these 800 people are rich or poor. All we care is what is the maximum income for the 800 people that we're trying to find for. And when we're asking for the smallest income is just the solution to x when we apply 800 to n. So it is important to ignore some details because not all details are meant to help you. As a side note, furthermore, word problems are especially useful when you're trying to solve for certain numbers. So it is very important to utilize the proper information such as within this question. So all we have to do is apply n is equal to 800 to solve for the lowest income because this equation is what gives us the smallest income for any given population of people. So 800 will be equal to 8 times 10 to the 8th power times x to the negative 3 over 2 power. This is just calling for some algebraic manipulation, and we can do so by dividing 8 times 10 to the 8th power on both sides to obtain x to the negative 3 over 2 power is equal to 800 over 8 times 10 to the 8th power. And 800 divided by 8 is equal to 100, so we simplify this fraction to be equal to 100 over 10 to the 8th power. 100 is nothing more but 10 squared, so 10 squared divided by 10 to the 8th will be equal to 10 to the negative 6 power, which is also equal to x to the negative 3 over 2 power. And what we can now do is raise both sides by negative 2 over 3 power to isolate x as a single variable. So x to the negative 2 over third power raised to the negative, or rather, I got this the opposite way around. X raised to the negative 3 over 2 power raised to the negative 2 over third power will be equal to 10 to the negative 6 raised to the negative 2 over third power. And we can simplify this term to be equal to 10 to the negative 2 times negative 2, which is equal to 10 to the fourth, which is equal to 10,000, which is also equal to x, meaning that the least income for these 800 people will be $10,000, the answer for our problem.